Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on simultaneous linear equations. Already you have learned how to solve the simultaneous linear equations by substitution method and elimination method. And one more method is left out, that is cross multiplication method. What is this cross multiplication method? How to solve the simultaneous linear equations? By this method let us learn today. What is the formula for that? Let us learn first. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. If these two are two simultaneous equations, the formula for finding x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1, and the formula for finding y coordinate is c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. Children, don't confuse. Simply you think x you want. That means b1c2 minus b2c1. Okay? By a1b2 minus a2b1. If you want to find the y coordinate, leave this. Only remember c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. To see, you will confuse what is this a1, b1, c1, b2. You remember otherwise. bc minus bc by ab minus ab, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. ca minus ca by ab minus ab, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. That way you can remember. Whatever way you feel easy, you can remember that way. Okay? Where a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is the numerical coefficient for the first equation. Similarly, a2, b2, c2 are the coefficients of x, y and the numerical coefficients. Very easy. So, whenever two equations will be given to you, first you write what is a1, what is b1, what is c1. Similarly, what is a2, b2, c2, so that it will be easy for you. Okay. So, now let me give you one question. One or two questions I will solve for you and show you. Okay. So your first question is 3x plus 2y equal to 4, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. How to solve these two equations? By cross multiplication method, let me explain you. Already I taught you the formula for finding the values of x and y by cross multiplication method. I said first you write what is a1, what is b1, what is c1. Let us convert this in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0. That means this 4 you have to bring. This implies 3x plus 2y minus 4 is 0. Don't confuse. This is very important. 8x plus 5y minus 9 is 0. Here a1 equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 4. And a2 is equal to 8. b2 is equal to 9, c2 is equal to minus 9. That is important. Now let us work out for x. What I said, if you don't remember, right? bc minus bc by ab minus ab you write. Then write 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Yes or no? Is it difficult now? And now substitute the values of b1, c2, a1, b1 and find the value of x. b1 equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus 9, that's why put brackets to avoid confusion. b2 is 9, c1 is minus 4 by a1 is 3, b2 is 9 minus a2 is 8, b1 is 2. Okay. So minus 18, minus into minus plus, 9 4s are 36 by 3 9s are 27 minus 8 2s are 16. 36 minus 18 is 16 by 27 minus 9 is 17 minus 6 is 7 minus 6 is 1. I think somewhere we have done a mistake. 3x plus 2y is 4. A1 is 3, B1 is 2, C1 is 4, A2 8, B2 is 5. Sorry children, that's why I got confused. B2 is, in place of B2, 5 is, okay. So wherever B2, let us write 5. Sorry. B2 is 5, C2 is 9, minus 9. So B1 2, C2 is minus 9, B2 is 5, okay. C1 is minus 4, A1 is 3, B2 is 5 again, minus A2 is 8, B1 is 2. So minus 18, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20. And this one you are getting 3 5s are 15 minus 16. So minus 18 plus 20 is 2 by minus 1. That means minus 2. Therefore, okay, at last we'll write x value we got minus 2. Now let us work out for y coordinate. Y, what I said, y. Y means these two link with C to A. Okay. Right. CA minus CA by AB minus AB. Right. 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. Okay. C1 is minus 4. A2 is 8. C2 is minus 9. A1 is 3 by already A1, B2, B2, it is there. It is easy for you. Same thing you can write or you can write, note down from there. So minus 32 minus into minus plus 9 3s are 27 by 5 3s are 15 15 minus 16. So minus 32 plus 27 is minus 5 by minus 1. Minus minus cancel, 5 by 1 is 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Okay. So you should be very careful in substituting the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and all. Okay. Let me solve one more question for you. So your next question is x minus y is equal to a plus b, ax plus by equal to a square minus b square. You see, here you have to find the value of x and y in terms of a and b. In terms of a and b. Okay. So let us convert this in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 0, x minus y, and in place of c1 a plus b is there. When it comes this side, minus of a plus b is equal to 0. Here you will get ax plus by minus of a square minus b square equal to 0. Don't open this. If you open this, again you will confuse. In place of c1, c1 or c2, what is that? You may confuse again. So let us write what is a1. a1 in only x is there, means 1. b1 equal to minus 1, yes or no? And c1 is equal to minus of a plus b. Now a2 is equal to, for the second equation, a, b2 is equal to b, c2 is equal to minus of a square minus b square. So this question, as it is in terms of a and b, little confusion, but slowly you do, no problem. So let us work out for x. X equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now b1 equal to minus 1, c2 equal to, again minus, so I am putting in brackets, and the minus, again this bracket you see, you need confusion. Okay, minus b2 is b, c1 is minus of a plus b. Okay, by a1 is 1, b2 is b, minus a2 is a, b1 is minus 1. I hope correctly I substituted. minus into minus plus 1. Very simple. Only a square minus b square you are getting. Here minus into minus plus, a into b, ab, and plus into plus plus, b into b square, by b into 1 b, minus into minus plus a. Minus b square plus b square is cancelled. Here a square plus ab, if you take a common, a plus b will be there. Here b plus a means a plus b. So when these two are cancelled, you are getting a. So the value of x you got as a. Now let us work out for value of y. Y is equal to, you know that y value, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus b2 a1. Both the denominators is same. Okay. C1 is minus of a plus b into a2 is a minus c2 is minus of, again minus came, so here minus minus, a square minus b square, and a1 is 1 by same a1 b2 1 into b minus a into minus 1. Now minus a into a square minus into plus minus a into b ab. Here minus into minus plus, here 1 is there. Simply we will get plus a square minus b square by b plus a. Now you see minus a square plus a square is cancelled, and in these two minus b is common. We will have a plus b. Okay, and here in, for b plus a, let me write a plus b. Any problem? For b plus a, I am getting a plus b. If it is cancelled, you are getting minus b. Therefore, x is equal to a and y is equal to minus b. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so two different varieties I have explained you. Please go through well and practice. You will be able to do well. Thank you.